How to reverse video in Instagram Reels. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you may know, Instagram does not give us the feature or option to reverse videos for Instagram Reels. If, for example, we wanted to reverse a video, say for example this one, we do not have the option to do that. This works the same way if we wanted to shoot a video, for example, you will not be able to reverse it. So how we can solve this problem? So the solution is very easy, and it's to use a third-party video editor. So if you open up Play Store and search for video editors, you will find a bunch of them that all work the same way and do the same job. So this means that you can use any one of them, but one of my favorites is the InShot video editor. So if we open up the editor and click on to reverse the video, say for example this one, we will search for the reverse tool among these options right here, and we find it right here. Now, as you can see, as soon as you do that, depending on the length of the video, your video would be reversed. As you can see, this happened too fast as the video is so short. So if your video is long, it might take a while for it. So for example, some videos took me a minute or minute and a half to do that. But as you can see, the final product is a video that's reversed. So as you can see right here, the video is reversed. And don't mind the watermark at the bottom right of the video. You can just get rid of it if you watched a 30-second video ad or something like that. Now, once the video has been reversed, let's click to save it. Let's wait for it a bit. Alright, it's done. Now it's saved to your gallery, so let me just close all of the windows right here and just open Instagram again and click to add a reel. And this time the video is reversed, which means that we can directly share it. As you can see right here, this is the reversed video, as you can see. And you can continue to edit your reels like you usually do. You can add the music, text, filters, stickers, whatever. And once you're done, you can just share it just like you usually do. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can reverse videos for Instagram Reels. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.